So this is a real quick overview of P3 Collapse in America project. Here's how it operates. So you already did P2, which focused on what problems the Romans faced and why they led to the collapse of the Roman Empire in the West. So now we're looking at those same issues and saying, all right, could these lead to the collapse of the United States? Could it lead our government to collapse and us to be thrown into turmoil? So what you're going to do for this is you're going to take a look at P2 right here, and what you put as your answers there. You're also going to look at P1, specifically this chart. And between those two, you need to look at, okay, which three issues do I think would harm the United States if they happen the most and are possibly likely? For example, rising Christianity, probably not going to fit. We have a lot of Christians in America, and that really hasn't stopped us from being a country that is willing to go fight to protect ourselves. So that one you can cut out right now. So look at some of these other ones and say, okay, are these realistic? Could they be issues? Could unemployment become an issue? Right now with coronavirus, that could fit in very well. So you choose the three that you think are the most dangerous to America. And then let's see what you have to do. So let's say we want to do unemployment. We would go name of Roman problem topic, unemployment. And then how could this harm the United States? So in at least 3 sentences, talk about how does unemployment cause harm specifically in our country when we have a lot of it. And then secondly, if we face this problem in America today, could it lead to the end of the United States as a country, yes or no? Now, some of these things we do face. We've seen unemployment, we've seen inflation, things like that. And so look at, could it end our country? And if it could, how bad would it have to be? And so those things are pretty important to think about. So the first one, 3 sentences explaining how it would harm the United States. The second one, at least 2 sentences discussing, do you think this could lead to the end of our country? That's what we have for P3. If you have any questions, talk to your teacher.